Some manufacturers are not suitable for garment printing, though your dealer can recommend high-quality manufacturers. These two shirts are from different high-quality manufacturers. Notice the differences despite using the same pre-treatment and print settings. Too much white can cause ink bleed issues, including white speckles that occur after the heat press. Despite their high quality, the amount of white ink required varies between garment manufacturers. To determine the best white underbase, choose Q menu, Set Maximum White Ink. Multiple test images will be printed within this area. Use a file typical of your work, or choose a test file from RIP, Systems, Targets. Set the image size, then click Next. Confirm the range of test values for your charts. For example, printing from 40% to 100% in steps of 20 will produce 4 charts: 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100. Click here to print the charts, then enter the best chart value here.